to come and lead it. It's time for the evaluation session. I request the general evaluator to come and lead the evaluation session for the tabletop speakers.
Good evening once again. To evaluate the table topic speakers, we have a multi-skilled Toastmaster today. Very enthusiastic and energetic Toastmaster, a man with solutions, and a champion speaker. Please help me welcome our beloved YLP coordinator, Toastmaster Manivan Uncle, to the podium to evaluate the table topic speakers.
Illustrious Toastmasters, youth leaders, loving parents, and dear guests. A warm good evening to you all.
Good evening.
I think our general evaluator flattened me with a big introduction, and I would like to live up to at least 50% of what he said. I think you should ask my wife about my multitasking. Certainly she will have a lot of things to complain. Now, youth leader Tejas, I will structure my evaluation into two parts. One is a straight evaluation on the speeches. Then after that, I would like to give a few tips. So now I'm going to do the evaluation of the speeches. You can start timing now. The first speaker, Toastmaster Surendra Chari. What you couldn't do last year that you could do now. You understood the topic. And you stated very clearly what you couldn't do and how you did that. You gave a personal example that was the right way to do, and you closed the speech also effectively well. So it was a wonderfully done table topic speech. But that could be improved. One important thing is that you got a little overwhelmed by the occasion and you lost memory of this topic. That sort of created a distraction for the audience. I think the best thing is stay focused and deliver the speech effectively because you did it well in the end. Madam Toastmaster Praveena, your topic is who is your role model and why? Yes, you did well. You explained very clearly your mom and dad are your role model, and you did reasonably explain why. But I think there are certain areas of improvement. It is about who is your role model. But in between the speeches, you were trying to advocate to youth leaders who should be their role model, which is not the expected speech feedback. And also, you could have told why. I think the element of why you consider them to be a role model. Just because their parents are their role models, or is it something more which makes them the role model? That element could have been included in the speech, which would have made the speech more effective. Youth leader Tanya, parents are the ones to be deciding about your higher studies. Do you agree? Yeah, I think you understood the topic very well, and you agreed. Little bit. A little bit doubtful, but I think your speech was saying that you agreed. The areas for improvement, and I think you concluded very well. The areas for improvement, you more or less said they have the right to decide, which is probably not an appropriate thing. The why part could have been like, what is making them the appropriate person to decide? Because of their experience, because of their worldly knowledge, they are better positioned to decide. You can disagree even. It's not required that you need to agree. You can disagree even, but you have to state valid reasons. Logical, valid reasons to say why you agree or why you disagree makes the speech much more effective. Yeah? Then youth leader Teja. Whom do you like, your mom or dad, and why? I think you got it right, and you stated very clearly why you like your mom. The explanation given was very clear, and I think you brought in a personal experience. A nicely done table topic speech, effectively. But you need not do that, because your dad is not there, you take this one, because you had that effective speech. Improvements is basically conclusion. Once you finish a speech, you need to conclude. Therefore, I would like to state that I like my mom more than my dad. At least for the speech purpose. Because here you are supposed to take a position and stay on that position. Right? Then youth leader Shaima Salman. You're very clear. You like Dubai. You stated it very clearly. And you explained why you like that as well. And I think one important thing that I would like to highlight in Shaima's speech is that you concluded. There are many places in this world that I would like to visit, but Dubai would be the one that I would like to visit most. I think that's a way of concluding, saying that you reinforce this. Area, I think it could be you're little more assertive. You're just a little bit of, I like this, I will do this. Be very assertive in what you're saying. That self-belief is important if you have to be a successful table topic speaker. Youth leader Sanat Sharma. Then your topic given was you saw your close friend cheating during an exam. Would you like to report to the teacher or would you like to ignore that? And you chose to ignore because he is your close friend. Where is Sanat? Okay. And why? I think that why part was a little vague, but the good part is you brought in a lot of humor, which was a very good technique to connect with the audience. And my only recommendation would be to emphasize on why. Because it was asking, you saw somebody cheating. You're taking a position not to report something wrong. You understand? That was the topic. And you need to say why you chose not to report a wrong thing to the person to whom it has been reported. There should be a valid reason. Yes, one valid reason is you're a close friend. And then you had a trade-off with him. That's the second. But I think the first part is expecting you to say why you chose not to report him. Maybe you could have come up with something like, okay, fine. This is my conclusion. I don't want to be overstepping the time. I'm sure I have overstepped already. That brings the conclusion of my evaluation. Now let me give you some general guidelines. I take this opportunity because you will be attempting table topic speeches going forward. All of you have to listen to the topic carefully. There is always a subtle word in the topic which will help you to build the topic and speak on the topic further. Like I told Madam Pravina, who is your role model and why? I think the emphasis is on the why. There is also, is your parents are the ones to decide about your higher studies? Do you agree? So if you disagree or agree, that is a statement. You have to take a position first. For example, in your opening, you have to say, yes, parents are the ones who have to decide about our higher studies. I agree with this statement. So you're stating yourself clearly. And the reason being, then you go and build on what you need to say. Then finally you conclude by saying that, to conclude, I strongly agree with the statement that parents are the ones to decide about our higher studies. So that should be the way that you have to do. Most of you did not open well. You need to focus on this. Most of you did not close well. That is again an area that you have to focus on this. Building with logical statements. Logical experiences, logical statements is an important thing to build on this speech. Because I found most of you clocking around 1 minute, 20 seconds. You had 2 minutes. The moment you saw the green, you are closing the speeches. That's how normally will happen in your first attempt, but you need to develop this more and more. The only way to develop is read through, see the topics yourself. There could be many topics like this. Today is an example. Take the opportunity to go through the web, look at similar topics, and think how you do under such circumstances. Practice. A lot of people think table topic is delivered here, but it's not delivered here. For a prepared speech, you know that you're going to deliver a prepared speech, so you will prepare. For a table topic, there is no preparation that will be sort of alerted to you. So you have to be constantly preparing. Constant preparation, constantly looking around people, looking around things, and trying to sort of absorb that will help you to stand on your feet and deliver these speeches. So all of you did a wonderful job. It was an excellent first attempt, and you all deserve a great round of applause. Over to you, General Evaluator.